How to find hidden Walmart clearance deal. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can find hidden Walmart clearance deal. Now in order to do this procedure, what you can do is you can use your Walmart price scanner on everything. So for that you need to install the application and then log in into your account. So what you need to do, what I'm doing is I'm just gonna log in from the web browser. Once you're logged into your account, you need to enable all sort of permissions, such as you need to access your camera, you need to access the contact, you also need to allow the location and all that. Whenever you're using a Walmart, the Walmart's gonna know your location, and accordingly you can see the hidden price range. So what you need to do is, in order to do this procedure, first of all you need to use the scanner on everything, including the yellow sticker on clearance items as well. Now this app can oftentimes show you a lower price than what's listed on the sticker. Now you're in the Walmart hidden clearance club. So that's basically how you can scan. And if you don't find the scanner, what you can do is you just need to install the application, and after that you can use the camera as a scanner. So once the account is created, all you have to do is just tap on the camera icon located right at the bottom, and you can start scanning the price. You'll be able to see the hidden price. So in this way you can find hidden Walmart clearance deal. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.